Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. Have you subscribed to this channel? You haven't, right? Please do so right now. I mean right now. Today's video is a very simple one and it's called a DIY pointy sleeve tutorial. You can actually do it yourself if you're a beginner. It's a very simple sleeve that you can quickly make and attach to probably your tops or your dresses. Okay, and I'll be showing you how to draft the pattern, how to cut on your fabric, and how to join the fabric pieces together. Okay, if that sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. This is my paper. So I'll fold it this way. I want the length of the sleeve should be about 4 inches, while where it's going to cover on the armhole, okay, it's going to be just 6 inches from the shoulder down. Okay, this is 6 inches. 6 inches. Then the length of the sleeve, I want it a bit short. I will do 4 inches. So here is 6 inches, here down is 4 inches. With the help of my curve ruler, I'm going to put it this way. So can you see what I have? Then I'm going to cut. Can you see what I have? I have like a semicircle. Okay, so I'll keep this aside. Then I'll cut another one. That will be the final one. So this is my guideline. Okay, now from here upward, I'm going to measure 3 inches. I'll put this here like this. Just put it like this and mark. Okay, can you see? So, and from here I'm going to come up by 2 inches. From this point I'll come up by 2 inches. Okay, and from here, this same point, I'm going to go in by 2 inches or 2.5 inches. Let me just put 2 inches. 2 inches is fine. Okay, then you place it this way and you hold it down at this point and bring it down. Okay, ensure that this edge here is on the mark. Okay, so just ensure that it's about 2 inches. See, this is 2 inches. Okay, so and I'm going to use my pin. So it's down, and this is how it is. So what I'm going to do here, that's why I need to pin this down properly. Can you see what I've done? Okay, I hope you understand to this point. Okay, so now I'm going to extend it. You know, I first measured from here to here 2 inches. I discovered that it would be too high if I'm to connect it like this. So what I'm going to do right now is to connect it back to where I moved it. Okay, or maybe if I want to add more to it, I can add like half an inch to it. Okay, let's just so I want to see. I think it's better this way. So can you see what I have? Then you ensure you use your pen or fabric pencil to outline it so that I can cut it out. Can you see? So you can trim it if you think the shape is not fine enough. So I'll just cut like this. Then I will cut like this. Can you see that here, from this point upward is about 1/4 of an inch higher, 1/4 of. So you can make it as high as you can or as high as you like it. Okay, but I don't want mine to be too high. I don't even want it to be too pointed. Okay, so it depends on what you want. So can you see what I have? Okay, so from here I moved it out. This is where the first one was before this point, and when I moved it to 2 inches, I came up by 1/4 of an inch and I drew the line. So let's see the effect this has on it, the difference between the two. So let me label it. This is the first, this is number 1, and this is number 2. Okay, please don't get confused. This is the armhole for this armhole, and this is armhole for this second one. Okay, so let's see the effects. Can you see the effects? Can you just see the effects now? Okay, this is the effect. Now you can place it on another paper, or probably when you're cutting on your fabric, and blend up this pointed edge this way, not too much. I hope you understand what I'm saying, so that this place will be curvy and not pointed. Can you see how it looks? So you curve it a little, about 1/4 of an inch outward, so that you have a curved edge here, and you can even trim this, or you leave it like this. So this is what we have. Can you see? Can you see? Okay, so I'm going to cut on the fabric, then we are going to sew it to see the effect. Okay, so you can see that this is not as pointed as this. Of course, this is also a design that you can use, but just understand that once you fix it, it will be straight this way, and not, it won't go up like this one will. Okay, so now let's cut on fabric and we do justice to the sewing as well. I need to cut 4 pieces, okay, with this same pattern paper. So I placed 2. Can you see? This is 1, this is 1 in pieces. I'm just trying to manage my fabric. So once I'm done with this, I will fold another fabric and cut so that I will have 4 pieces, fabric pieces. So right now I'm going to add my seam allowance. You can add about 1 cm or you add half an inch, so whichever one you want to add. And this pointed part, I'll just do it this way before I add my sewing or my seam allowance. I hope you understand. I want it curvy and not pointed. Okay, so I can now add my seam allowance as I cut. So this is it. This is 4 fabric pieces. Okay, so 2 will make 1 sleeve. So I'll just fold it this way just to trim, because it has to be the same. Just trim a little if there is excesses. So, and this is the center of the sleeve. Okay. So this is what I have. Now the next thing for me is to open up. To add structure to this sleeve, you can use your peplum stay on it, or you use your boning. I won't be using boning. So when you're using your boning, you will have used probably a softer stay on it. After staying it, then you use your boning here at this part all round. Okay, this is where your boning will be. Okay, but I don't want to use boning, so I want to use a peplum stay. Peplum stay is hard and it's also lasts, you know. So here I'm going to cut exactly this pattern on my peplum stay. So my peplum stay is going to be exactly what I have this pattern. So I'll just place it on the peplum stay and cut 2. What I'm trying to do is that I don't want this peplum stay to get to the very end here. Okay, so because I'm going to be sewing in, I don't want it to get to my seam allowance. I want the peplum stay to be inside. Okay, so that's why I need to use this pattern to cut the peplum stay. So I'll be doing it. Once I'm done, I'll let you see the outcome. All right guys, I am done cutting using my pattern. Can you see? So I have my heart stay now cut out. So I'll be cutting 2 of these, and I'll also be notching the center, as you can see. And I have my fabric pieces cut out, and you know, so now I'll be removing the excesses. So here I will be joining or pressing the hard gum on 2 of the fabric pieces. I have 4 pieces already, so 2 of them are going to carry the peplum stay. Okay, now I am done trimming out, can you see? And I've also pressed my hard stay on the fabric piece. Can you see? Very, very easy, right? The next step is for me to join these fabrics together. Like I said, 2 is for one sleeve and this 2 is for another. Okay, so I'm going to place it like this, right side to right side. Please follow your notch. I notched the center. I'm going to place it this way. And you are going to sew. Once I join this, then I will show you what it looks like. then I will also show you what it will look like on the mannequin. Okay. Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any question, please ensure you drop in the comment section below, and of course I promise to respond to all these questions. All right, so I want to attach to my mannequin so that you guys can have an idea of how it's going to look like. And when you're attaching, please take note of where your hard gum is being attached. Mine, you know, is 2 pieces. This is one without the gum, and this is one with the gum. So this one with the gum is going to be on the outside. So I'm going to just turn it this way and place it like this, so that the one with the hard gum will be facing outside. Okay, so I'll be attaching now with my pin. All right, guys, thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and you are also free to share my videos anytime, any day. Thank you so much once again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.